Okay, so now we're going to dive into a little bit more about our analysis. So originally we received three documents of data from Caterpillar that we were able to analyze and kind of filter through. So from those data, you can see the first three tabs. We were able to build a pivot table based on the information. So the way that we set up our table was based on warehouse, parts, and year and the amount per year that was ordered. So basically you can filter through each of the unique warehouses to kind of select if you want to dive a little bit deeper to our analysis. But for the purpose of this project, we looked at all of the parts, which you can see in this tab. So we really focused heavy on 2016 and 2017 data to kind of start our analysis so that we were able to find a standard deviation for those two years. So basically, if you scroll over, you can see the part number and the number of times it was picked per year, and then we did an annual pick. So we took the sum of the number that demanded and divided it by 2. Then next we found the standard deviation. We just plugged it in for a sample size. And from there we took the information that was given. It was the holding cost was a 27% per the unit cost, which is right next to it. So then we found the target index based on our target service level that we were given in this tab. And we were able to do kind of a VLOOKUP to allocate a number with the target index as well as the cost index to be able for it to pull a target service level. So we were able to use the Z value and essentially find the EOQ, which is the economic order quantity. From there, we built our analysis tab based on the information in our pivot table. So we kind of set it up as part, the warehouse that each of the parts was located at, the EOQ, the holding cost that was the same for every line, and we were able to build the holding cost into our formula. We also then made some assumptions with this safety stock that was located at the warehouse ordering from a DC as well as the hub ordering from a DC. We also put in other assumptions that were stated in the case, including labor costs, the pick cost, and put away cost to be able to run our final analysis over here, which Madeline will kind of walk through. But basically, it's a simple calculation that pulls information based on where the data that we've received from Caterpillar. So with that, I'll go into a little bit more about our ABC classification. Okay.